see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
I am cute. Hi guys! April 9. Gabi na. Nakaligo na yung mga bata. And si Jam, binabrush niya na yung buhok ni Holly. And tingnan niyo yung dalawa. Bukas na yung game nila eh. Ayan, suot na nila. Matutulog na yata silang ganyan. Kasi maaga kami bukas. And may helmet sila. And kanina nandito si Auntie Mel. Binigay yung kanilang, tawag nun? Hi, Zach. Let me see. Wait. It's too close. Gamit ko yung bagong
look weird with a helmet on, don't I?
No, you look good.
I look weird.
Gamit ko na yung bagong camera, yung A6400. Kuya, can you bring that chocolate that Tita Mel gave you? Ang ganda. Show the name ba, Kuya? Naka-customize siya, oh. Yan, TJ, show Holly. And Zach. Naka-customize siya. Come on, Kuya, hurry up. Ayan. So, nag-vlog lang akong konti. Tapos bukas, punta tayo sa game nila. Ang galing ni Zach maghula-hula. Tinatry kong i-zoom. Kumakapapa ako dito sa bagong camera natin. Ayan. Parang dark, no? Good job, Zach. Alright, see you tomorrow. Say good night. Good luck tomorrow, boys.
I bet you I'll get like first at the game.
Whatever, Zach. Ang yabang. Baba. Hi. Zoom natin sa Ano ba ito? Saan ba ako magsusum? Ayan. Baba! Alright. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Ang fresh ng dalawang boys. Silang tatlo pala. Ayan. Kuya nagugaw. Good morning, guys. Gamit ko yung aking bagong camera. Ang bigat niya. Ang sakit sa kamay. Tinatry ko lang siyang i-vlog dito sa bahay. Pero sa panlabas, hindi ko to kayang ipang-vlog. Dito lang to sa bahay. Tapos, pang-picture sa mga bata. Today is April 10. And today yung first game ng mga bata sa Footy. Mga 7 o'clock ata kami or 7. Basta, around 7 kami alis. Time check is, ang aga pa. Ayan, 5:15. Magluluto kasi ako ng pansit. Kasi kagabi pa ako. Talaga nito sa kagabi pa ako nag-crave ng pansit Bihon. So, kaya maaga akong kumising. Luluto ako ng pansit. So, hindi ko kayo hawakan kasi sobrang bigat nyo, guys. Ano ba yung quality? Okay lang ba siya? Parang malinaw lang, pero parang mas bright yung yung G7, yung mark. Pero siguro bago lang ako. So, yeah. Magluto muna ako ng pansit. Kunin ko yung mga pang-ricado. Luto ko na yung pork na isasawag natin sa pansit Bihon. And, eto, laking tulong din pala niya. Kasi sobrang talsik niya. Dito lahat kumapit yung oil. So, ang ginagawa ko lang ay pinupunasan ko para iligpit ko na siya. So, okay naman siya pala. Kasi hindi ako natalsikan. Ay, nagpapakulo akong eggs. Kasi gagawin ko rin sila ng egg sandwich. So, yan yung update, guys. Ito na pala yung mga nabili ko sa Yes Style. Ito yung tray and ayun yung strainer. Yung may mga vegetables. And luto na yung eggs. 6 o'clock na pala, guys. So, bilisan ko na dito. Yeah, it's been raining, Han. Good morning, Holly. Ha? Baba? Doon siya. Luto na yung pansit. Wait lang. Ito na yung pansit natin. Oh, ang dami. So, gagawin ko na yung egg sandwich ng mga bata. Tulog pa yung dalawang boys. Gising na sila. Hi, Zach. Good morning. And, what time is your game, Kuya? 8:30. 7 o'clock na. Yes. Yeah. Ito na pala yung egg sandwich at saka yung pansit. Dalawa yung dala ko kasi baka yung mga boys kumain. Yung isa sa aming dalawa ni Holly. Pero yung sandwich sa kanila to. So, yan na yung amin palang baon sa game nila Kuya. Good luck, boys! Nagde-drive na pala kami. Papunta sa game nila. Baba! Kanina pa siya nagsasabi sa akin, taliin ko raw yung buhok niya. Nagmamadali kami, sabi ko, later na lang. Boys, good luck!
Yep.
Was excited. As in, sobrang excited nila kasi yan yung pinantulog nilang damit. Right, Kuya? You sleep with that clothes?
Yep.
And Saki? Did you wear your socks as well when you went to bed? Kasi pinatanggal ni Jan yung sa yung medyas kagabi kasi naka-outfit talaga sila na pang-game nila na may medyas. Sabi ni Jan, ganun lang si Jan. Sobrang excited nila kasi first time talaga nila to, as in first time, and excited ang daddy. 40 minutes yung drive. So mamaya na lang. Baba, say good morning. Good morning.
You're so high in this room, it's alright. Cause I'm right there with you and just fly. There's blue skies and your eyes make sunrise. And now that you're falling, I wanna come to. I want us to stay here forever. Alone in this room. Shower me sunshine. Any girls on this bloody?
Apparently called
Weather.
dirty food.
Dito na kami sa Glinko.
Dad.
How are you? I'm not gonna run a full Mac.
Ang aga namin. Kasi syempre, para maka-ready din. May entrance fee na $10 each. How about the kids?
No, it's fine.
Free. So kami lang ni Jan, $20.
Free what?
Yeah, because you're gonna play and we're not. Where are we gonna park? So ayan.
Now what sides are? Is that our side or that's our side?
We'll
What's
see.
that, mate?
Wait, do we?
Alright, so dito tayo magpa-park.
Quick, say change.
Okay, put your ano.
There, it's that
Yeah.
wall there. They're both number one. Yeah.
Yeah, pareho yung ano nila number Zachary. Nag-stretch na si sa kanina. How you stretch, ha? Malamig. Si Kuya andun. Tsaka si Max. Nag-warm up na yung mga boys. Tingnan nyo si Holly. Andun din siya, oh. So, ayun si Holly, oh. Ngayon naman, ang gamit kong camera ay yung G7X. So, baka pag-upload ko nito, iba-iba yung kulay ng ating video. Kain muna ako habang hindi pa nag-start. Eh, nagdala rin pala ako ng Coco Bella na coconut water. Nakalimutan ko magdala ng fork. Check natin dito kasi minsan naglalagay ako ng mga sa restaurant o sa McDonald's na tinidor. Ayan, meron. So, ito yung pansit natin. Mainit pa siya. So, kainin ko na to. Si Holly, nandun kay daddy niya. Umalis na siya sa oval kasi naglalaro na yung mga bata. Practice lang ba? Warm up. Ay, sarap nito. May lemon. Nakalimutan ko. Ayan. Kain muna tayo, guys. Sana mag-ano na. Nagkakaaraw na. Pero malamig pa rin kahit may araw. Hi, Baba! Oh, okay. Come in. Do you wanna eat? Pansit? No, you mean you're hot. Ano ba niya yung ano niya? Nagtatakbo kasi siya. Come on. Ayan siya. Oh, say hi, people.
Hi, people.
Hi, people. Okay, you come back here, okay? Yung ano, hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya i-adjust yung isang camera. Parang medyo ano siya, Hindi ba ganun kaliwanag? Ito sobrang liwanag. Doon parang madilim. Sarap. Meron siyang pork tsaka atay ng manok. Itong atay ng manok, ang sarap. Ayan. Kagabi pa ako nagkikrave nito. Kaso nag-ano ako. Tinapos ko yung inedit ko kasi hindi na ako pwede mag-edit nga yung parang sobrang gabi. So, tinapos ko siya before 8 ata. Natapos ko siya then nagugas, natulog na ako kasi alam ko gigising ako ng maaga para nga mag-prepare ng ano, ng babaunin ng mga bata at saka maaga kasi kayo pupunta dito. And eto, nagluto ako nito. Sarap. Kayo ba, gusto niyo sa gulay? Yung parang crispy pa. Ako ganun. Gusto ko ano pa, yung may bite pa talaga. Hindi yung lata. Ang sarap. Ganyan ba?
There's a heap of this in the back, though.
Ha?
That.
What? Ah, soda cream. Dito si Holly. Yes. More?
Please.
More, please. So good. Here, Baba, you... Ay, bigyan ko sanang karne. Want some meat, Baba? Want meat? Come on.
Yes, please.
And veggies?
Yes, please.
So, Baba, wait, come here. This, come here. This on here. Okay. So, kain muna kami. Sana wag mag-error, sana hindi mag-memory error tong isa kong SD card. Transfer ko. Nag-transfer akong maraming clips sa external hard drive. Dalawa yung yeah, come on. Dalawang SD card empty na. Isa na doon sa isang sa isang camera and then yung isa ito, pero sana wag siya wag siya mag memory card error.
Mom!
Yes, baby. Okay. Ay, can see you, Baba. Yeah. Veggies? You alright?
I'll get some more.
Here. You ready, Zach?
Kind of.
Kind of.
What's the time?
What time is it? 8:54.
Well, we're meant to start at 8:30.
I know. Where's the other team? I don't see the other team yet.
So I only saw 2.
So, ba't dumilim? Ayan. Tapos ko na. Naubos namin ni Holly.
Yeah.
And,
Crossing my nose and
yeah. Isusot na nila yung kanilang helmet.
what one? No.
Buksan ko na to.
Where's mine?
Coco Bella, where's yours?
Mom, could you tie this up?
Mag-start na sila ata kasi pinapasok na lahat sa kanila yung
Can you just tie it up like a knot?
like a knot,
Like you tie shoelaces? Like not a knot, not a knot.
like a ribbon.
Yeah.
Is it tight enough?
No.
Like that?
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
okay.
tight. That's very tight.
Oh, but like how about
hurting my
okay,
head.
like that.
Yeah.
Tight enough?
Yeah.
Let me see. How about that? Let me see. Look. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Yeah, mag-start na ata sila. Wait lang, inom muna tayo. Buti na lang umaraw na.
Mom, can you do mine?
Okay, come on. Excuse me, Zach.
Hang on. Is this on properly? I can't do it.
Wait, Baba, wait. like this, and then like that. How about the back? Let me. What's wrong? Come here. Let me know if it's tight enough. Come over here. Is that tight enough?
Yeah.
Okay, good luck. Good luck. Mwah. Good luck. Yeah, where's your drink bottle?
I got a thing.
Yeah, that one.
You've got your drink bottle, or your own drink bottle, or
No, that can share.
yeah, you can
Yeah,
share.
you
it.
can share. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ito naman yung next customer ko. Oh.
Sugar. We'll have to go out, stand out there, bud.
Why?
Go out in the oval and watch them.
Not here.
No, it's up the other end. Don't you?
Yeah?
You can't just sit in the car. You get a better thing if you're out there amongst them, mate.
Oh my God. Nakapark kami dito sa kabilang gold. Doon pa pala, doon sa kabila. Gusto ko pa naman sakay kasi malamig. Can we move our car? Akala ko nasa na kami. Perfect na spot kasi kami ang una. Hindi pala. Okay, Baba. You have to wear this one, Baba, because it's cold. We're gonna walk. Ano natin si Sak? Oh, hiningal ako. Doon si Sak. Si Kuya saan? Ayun si Kuya. Start na.
What are you like, tackle or?
Just not like kick off the ground.
Ayun si Sak, oh. One. Nasaan na si Kuya? Si Kuya andun sa kabila eh. Ayun si Sak.
Oh.
Oh. Go, Sak! Go, kick! Go, Sak! Go, Kuya! Oh! Doon si Kuya. Go! Go, go! Oh! Go, Sak! Go, go, go!
Go hard.
Go, Sak! Go, Sak! Kick it! It's alright to yell no, Baba. It's a game.
Here we go. Who's that?
Go, go, go!
Kick him up.
Go! Kick it! Go, kick!
Yes.
Yes! Yay! Goal, Han? Yeah, it's a goal. Ayun si Kuya, oh. Nasa goal siya eh. Pantay siya. Si Sak yung andito, oh. Ayan si Sak, yung one. Go, Sak! Go, Sak! Go, Sak! Oh! Go, Sak! Go! Get it! Oh! Ang bigat ng camera ko. Go, Sak! Go, kick it! Nangangali ng kamay ko. Si Kuya hindi natin masyadong mafilman doon. Si Kuya sa may, sa goal. Oh! Good job!
Push back off the mark. Push back.
Good mark. Go, back.
Go, go, go! Yes! Yes! Kick it! Go, go!
Oh, yeah,
Buti nga si... Oh! Go, go! Go, Kuya! Kuya, go! Go, Kuya! Go, 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 Kuya! Good job, Kuya! Good tackling, Kuya! Good job, Kuya! Pinatumbay ni Kuya! Ayan si Kuya, oh. Si Kuya magkikik. Go, Kuya, teacher! Oh! Go, Zach.
Well, they both got them one there.
Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Oh! Go, 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 go! Oh my God, go! Oh! Go! Oh my God! Yay! Go! Yay! Yeah, good job, Kuya. Naka-go si Kuya.
Nice,
Good job! Yay! Go, another go! Yay! Oh! Go, Sai! Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Go!
Did you say it, Zale? No. Also, there was like two.
Couple there, bro.
Go, Zach!
Go, Zach! Kick it, Zach! Good kick, Zach! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Oops! Go, Zach! Go! Ang ingay ko na naman. Go, go! Oh. Oops! Go! Good job, Kuya! Good job, Kuya! Nasalo ni Kuya. Ayun si Kuya. Go kick it, yeah. Oops! Oops! Go! Go! Kick it! Kick it! Oh!
At him, Kate. Go at him, Kate.
Go, Kuya!
Grab him, grab him.
Good job, Kuya! Good job! Good tackle, Kuya! Good kick, Kuya! Go, go! Kick it! Where's Zach now, hon? Where's Zach? I don't see Zach.
Down there. He kicked the goal for them.
Ah, Zach!
No,
We're
right.
going the same way.
Oh, okay. Right. So they don't confuse. Oh, well, I confused me.
Yeah!
Did you get the easy goal?
Touch! Yes, good job!
Zach is square.
Huh? Look at Zach!
He wants to go. He wants to go.
Yeah, yeah. Go, Zach!
Hang on.
Oh! Go, Zach!
Everyone wants to go.
Yeah, they were
Yeah.
following each other.
He got it.
Good job! Goal.
Zach
Good.
got it.
Who was it?
I don't know if it's a goal or point.
Who was it, hon?
Zach.
Zach? I think it was goal.
Yeah, Zachary.
Yeah, Zach. Naka-goal na rin si Zach. Pareho sila ni Kuya. Go, Zach! Go! Get it, Zach! Go, Zach! Go, 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 Zach! Go, go! Gops! Ayun si Jan. Ano muna sila? Water break. Ayun si Jan. Ang galing ng dalawang boys at saka yung team nila. Si Zach at si TJ pareho na sila naka-goal. And nangunguna sila. Yung team nila. Ah, hindi ko nakuha ng galing. Ang galing ni Kuya mag-jump. Naka-ano siya na mark niya. Hindi ko nakuha kasi napagod na ako kakahawak nitong camera to. Ang bigat niya kasi. Yay! Goal! Yay! Good job! Na-mark ni Kuya. So, hindi ko nakita. Hindi ko na-film. Ang ganda ng pagtalo ni Kuya. Si Zach ba yun? Kuya. Ay, si Zach. Good job, Zach and Kuya and the rest of the team.
Boys, that was really well played for your first game.
Good job, Kuya. I miss it, Kuya. I didn't catch that one, Kuya. In-ignore niya kung nahihiya siya. Zach, good job.
All you're sitting here talking. The ball still talking.
Just having a good old chin.
Yeah.
Kick to a goal.
Yes, you did. Both of you did. Tapos na sila, nanalo sila. Sinisip na ako. Nakapagod tong camera.
We did win.
Yes, you did.
Zach got player of the week.
Wow, good job, Zach. Play of the week si Zachary.
I get nothing. Oh, hang on. Yeah, because I got a voucher. Hang on.
You get a voucher.
Very good.
Ito yung reward kay
Well
Zach.
done, boys.
Good.
Look
Good.
out.
Both of them are good. Tingnan nyo ang dumi na nila, oh.
Built this.
It's alright.
My chair.
What?
The water. Ito, may Krispy Kreme. Congratulations. Bumili sila ng hotdog. What hotdog is that, Kuya? It's really big. Huh? Zab? Hindi ko yan alam. First time ko yan narinig. Good.
Next week we're gonna stay at the footy. It's at Port Mac.
Ah, you're gonna play at Fort Mac? Nagutom na sila, oh.
Sauce. Good boys.
Gilly's playing in this.
Oh, Zach got some dirt on your legs, mate.
Dad,
Yeah.
Get
Gilly.
your socks and shoes
Dad,
everywhere.
Gilly's playing.
Meron ng ano,
Kate's big brother.
ibang team naman to. Yung malalaki naman sila. Ayan, sila naman yung next. Ah, okay, wait. Gusto niya dyan yung sandwich ko. Wait lang. Where's my sandwich? Here. Here. Salamat po. Salamat po. Where's your manners? Where's your manners, Johnny boy?
Thank you. I'm sorry.
Ah, try nyo muna doon. Egg sandwich. And, oh. Let me know. I made the sauce. That's fresh honey. Ano? Uy! Good.
Come on, Port Mac. Did you see me? I got one goal.
Yeah.
I got one.
Yeah, and then you kick, I missed the mark, Kuya.
I kicked one. I kicked.
Yeah, but
two.
I missed that one because this camera is too heavy.
I kicked.
I got some photos
I kicked.
for Kuya.
2
Not for, 2 points, yeah.
There was this same dude putting me off,
Yeah.
and I got one goal.
You're so soft there, Zach. You're just like letting them, like, you know, you're not tackling hard.
Did you see me get all them tackles?
Yeah, I saw Kuya tackling some, but you,
tackle.
no, you didn't. You like,
swung him. That's free.
but you did well, both of you.
I got player of the week for some reason.
Wow.
Because I got like a good mark and good goals. Because he only kicked one and
Yeah.
no points.
Yeah.
2 points.
It's alright. At least you play good today. Very good. Nagustuhan ni Johnny Boy yung aking egg
Where's the
sandwich.
water?
Where's the water?
You.
I'm giving it to me.
Yeah, it was in the... It was in
No,
the...
you took it off me.
drink. No, I didn't.
You left it there, Dad. It was in the container. Where's
No,
all the
no, it's
water?
up here.
Yeah, just buy one sack.
Yeah.
I'm calm.
So, yung makiklaim ni Zach sa Krispy Kreme, meron siyang shake and glaze. Ayan, dalawang original. Tapos, ayan, chocolate shake. Yan ang makukuha niya pag pumunta kayo ng Krispy Kreme.
Where'd you put it?
And si Johnny Boy, na-enjoy niya yung egg sandwich.
Let's go, boys. Enjoy.
Hoy, Daddy's asking you.
Yeah.
You enjoy your Footy, first Footy game. And si Kuya tsaka si Jan. What time is your golf competition, Han? 11:52, 10:26 na. So, mag-change lang si Kuya. Then, diretso sila ng daddy niya sa golf competition. Kasi may golf competition si Kuya. And then, meron din si Jan. Every Saturday, right, Han?
Huh?
Every Saturday, the golf competition? Is it every Saturday, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, every Saturday yung golf competition. Dito sa ano lang, Atamara?
That green call is so easy.
So,
Dad, Trav said, when we play next week, you
Yeah.
might make it a bit bigger.
Yeah, that was too small.
yeah, it's like
Too
no
small, too
time.
crowded.
Yeah, no time for running, right, Han? Bahay na kami, guys. And si Kuya at si Jan nag-change na sila kasi alis din sila, 'di ba? Sabi ko na ba sa'yo yeah, they're gonna play golf. And
clean up, we're gonna play the PlayStation.
sabi, pag naglinis raw sila ni Zach, maglalaro raw sila ng PlayStation. We'll see. And ako, hugasan ko yung mga tira kong hugasan kanina. Di ba nagluto ako?
If I play the PlayStation, if you want like
Dilim, ang camera to madilim.
but if you let me
You're gonna be late. Alright, ayun siya. Nagmamadali na siya. Maglo-load na siya sa car. Si Kuya nagbibihis pa. Ayan na si Kuya. Kuya, are you gonna bring that? Or the old golf stick?
Oh no.
See? Yeah. Si Jan nandun na sa labas eh. Kinakabit niya na yung trailer.
Flying in the wind.
I know. You should bring your jumper, Kuya. It's very cold outside. Yes, Daddy is wearing his.
I'm hot.
No, now you're hot here because we have the heater. Come on.
Yeah, you have to
Ayan si Kuya. Kinuha niya lang yung jumper niya kasi nga malamig. Come on, Kuya. Daddy's waiting. Good luck. Good luck. See ya. I love you. Dili. Ayan. Ayan si Zach. Kakainin niya pa lang yung pansit. And kausap ko si Papa. You have to get a fork. Madilim tong camera. Against light naman kasi. Mag-aalas 5 na. And si Jan, hindi niya pa na-adjust yung aming clock. Doon alas 6 na eh. Na kami, back 1 hour kami. Kasi pa-winter na. And naka-robe ako kasi sobrang lamig na dito sa amin. Kasi pa-winter na. And yung dalawang boys, si Jan tsaka si Kuya, wala pa sila dito. Nag-golf pa sila. And sana hindi sila basa kasi umuulan. Tsaka malakas ang hangin. Pero may dala naman silang baggy. So, sana hindi sila basa. Kasi si Jan, hindi pa siya sobrang magaling. May ubo pa rin siya. And nagluluto na pala akong patatas para kay Johnny Boy. And ang kanyang ulam, ang partner doon ay eto yung beef schnitzel. Feeling ko ang laki nito. Kasi before, mayroon daw niluto malaki. So, eto feeling ko mas malaki to compared doon sa nauna. And kay Kuya, ang gusto niya sana ay spam. Kaso naubusan ako, hindi ako nakabili. So, mag corn beef na lang siya. Si Kuya, mas gusto niya ang corn beef natin compared doon sa Silverside, yung meat ba na niluluto ko lagi kay Jan. Mas gusto to ni Kuya compared doon. So, yeah. And nagluto na rin akong kanin. And si Saki Boy, ayun si Saki Boy, nakaligo na siya guys. And naglalaro siyang PS. Hindi na siya naglalaro ng PS4. What are you watching?
Ninja Kids.
Ninja Kids? YouTube?
Yes.
Yes. And this
Hey guys.
Oh, ano na naman?
What are we gonna eat for dinner?
Ano for dinner?
Dinner.
Dinner? Corn beef. Yes, corn beef. And may pansit pa. Yeah, the Filipino baba. Gusto nila ang Filipino. And meron pa tayong pansit. So, isa yan sa mga kakainin namin. So, magluto muna ako kasi for sure yung mag-ama pagdating nun ay gutom. Tingnan niyo yung ginawa ko. Linagyan ko ng kanin yung kawali para hindi masayang yung tiraba dito. Sa Bicol, ang tawag namin dito ay sinalamog sa kawali. Sa inyo guys, anong tawag dito sa Tagalog or sa Bisaya? Pero sa Bicol, yeah, sinalamog. Oops. Okay, next, yung kay Johnny Boy na. And eto, patayin ko na rin kasi okay na to. Sinain niya na pala yung yung rice, yung kaninang pinakita ko sa inyo, yung sinalamog kung sa Bicol, sinalamog na kanin sa kawali. Naubos niya na, oh. More?
Yes, please.
Okay. Andito na sila, Kuya. Hi! You won? Who won? He did? Oh my goodness!
That photo.
Huh? Where's the photo?
Out of everyone,
Huh?
out of the whole field,
Yeah. He won? Oh my God! Congrats! Schnitzel, Daddy. Congrats! Oh my God! I love you. I got something for you.
What?
Corned beef. Filipino one.
Yes!
Ay, sabi kasi. You're welcome. Good job, Kuya. So you beat Dad?
That on. Actually, put that on.
What? The heater? Freezing. I know. We just
And we
turned
have
it
to
off.
try these. If we don't, they'll get all rusty and that.
Yeah, you're gonna what? What? I have
No.
what? Wash it?
dry 'em.
Dry. Oh my God! Ang galing naman ng Kuya. Niluluto ko na pala yung yung schnitzel ni Jan. Oh my God, ang saya ng daddy and ang saya ng mommy. And sobrang saya ni Kuya dahil mayroon akong corned beef para sa kanya. Nakalimutan ko na ito ibigay kay Holly! Your food! I'm sorry, I forgot.
Silly Holly.
Ano sasabihin sa mami?
Mom,
Uy! Ano sasabihin mo sa mami?
Thank you.
do you know what Dad did today?
What?
Kicked it,
Yeah?
went on, rolled in the hole.
Dad?
Yeah, and I did it. That goes off into the
Oh! Ito na yung pangatlo ni Holly. Naglagay akong pork and vegetables kasi nag-request siya. You like this?
Yes.
Nag-request siya. Gusto niya yan. Wala nga lang beans. Gusto niya rin yung beans.
Ninja kids.
Naiksi, Baba. Pangatlo niya na yan. My God, Baba. You're a big girl now. Naligo na kasi si Kuya. Do you think...
Jeez, that's huge.
I know. Do you think you will finish it?
This one.
Honey?
That one.
Yeah.
Daddy?
Who's that one?
That's Zach.
Daddy?
Zach, you go that one, Max.
Daddy?
And this
That.
one's mine.
Zachary.
Wait, is this one yours?
Honey? Do you think you will finish it?
Oh, more. I'm feeling good.
that's
You had a share, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's got no jobs?
No, there is there.
Holly puts. Where'd you show where you put all the
Si Holly kasi naglagay ng mga undies nila sa drawer. So yeah, kanya niya raw itong ubusin. What did you say, honey? Kinukwento niya kasi sa akin kanina.
So it's monthly metal today up there, so they bring the T blocks back, so it's further. Course is longer.
Yeah.
So he scored plus his handicap. He had the best
Score?
out of everyone.
Wow.
He's only 20 shots behind Bryce.
Really? Oh
Played 85, come 6 today.
You?
Yeah. So he won D grade.
The A grade. D grade, yeah.
D grade. And then he had the best net score out of everyone.
Wow. Okay. Bigyan ko siya ng konting schnitzel kasi sobrang laki naman ito. And yung kay Kuya, nilagay ko dito yung kanyang corned beef sa gilid. Pero mas gusto niya nasa top yung kanyang corned beef. Ayan, Kuya. Congratulations! Ito yung kanyang reward. Masaya si Kuya sa...
Favorite.
Yeah, si Kuya may lang siya konting complain.
Any favorite?
Yeah, that's it.
It looks a bit dark.
Kasi sanay
Oh, no, it'll taste so.
Yeah, sanay kasi siya sa pure foods. So kasi di ba sabi ko sa inyo, Argentina yan. Try it, Kuya.
It's alright.
Yeah, it tastes alright. Pero mas gusto niya talaga yung pure foods. Ang saya pa naman niya. Try it. Yeah, it tastes the same. Not as good as the pure foods. Si Johnny Boy. Hoy, Baba, come on, eat! Dami niya na rin naman nakain. Go there na, please.
What's different about that?
Oh, the pure foods is better. Huh? Yeah, this one.
Got some of this.
No, mas gusto niya pa rin yun. Ayan, si Jan, nakuha niya na yung message galing sa friend niya. Wow, Kuya. Hindi yung makita. Insert ko na lang. Well done, Kuya. Where are you, Han?
No, it comes up in the next one.
Kasi mahaba raw to. How many
This is
of you?
D grade.
Yeah.
Then there's B grade, C grade, B grade, A grade. So I was in the A grade when I was 6.
Okay.
And then for the overall.
Yeah.
Oh, Zach!
What? For the overall?
Oh, Zachy!
Team ni Sak yung naglalaro sa Footy. And then, honey, for the overall?
Whoa!
For the overall?
Overall one, TJ had that score. And
TJ?
he could have
What?
been a little bit better again. Like, missed a couple putts like this, just lost concentration on the 18th.
But it's
Oh, I
still,
putted.
but
Yeah,
it's,
right, boy. I mean,
but it's still the best.
yeah, but
Think we could do better more.
heaps in front.
Really? Well done,
Oh,
Kuya.
Zachary!
Nanood ka na kayong Footy, guys. Tapos ko na yung vlog, guys. Kasi manunod lang naman kami ng Footy and maghuhugas ako. Again, congratulations. Congratulations. And si Sak din, silang dalawa today. Today is really a good day for us and special for the boys. So yun na guys yung vlog natin for today. Thank you, Sak. Come on. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next
Bye.
vlog.
Bye.
Bye. Oh yeah. Bye guys.